All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. It's kind of fun to do the impossible. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. That's the real trouble with the world. Too many people grow up. Why worry? If you've done the very best you can, then worrying won't make it any better. If you can dream it, you can do it. Laughter is timeless, imagination has no age, and dreams are forever. Ideas come from curiosity. The more you are in a state of gratitude, the more you will attract things to be grateful for. When you believe in a thing, believe in it all the way, implicitly and unquestionable. When you're curious, you find lots of interesting things to do. In bad times and in good, I've never lost my sense of zest for life. First, think. Second, believe. Third, dream. And finally, dare. We keep moving forward, opening new doors, and doing new things, because we're curious and curiosity keeps leading us down new paths. Everyone falls down. Getting back up is how you learn how to walk. The difference between winning and losing is most often not quitting. Whatever you do, do it well.